Hi, my name's Steve Hamilton. I'm with Datem Systems International. We're part of the NV5 Geospatial Software Group. We have a product called Summit Evolution, which is a 3D soft copy photogrammetry system that exploits stereo imagery that's flown with overlaps between flight lines and along the flight line, to be able to map in 3D, where we can capture vector data into 4 different CAD systems: Esri, MicroStation, AutoCAD, and Global Mapper. The purpose of our software is to gather data in a more precise fashion than is normally available just by draping an orthophoto over a point cloud and then draping a string over that orthophoto. 3D viewing allows you precision that goes far beyond that because of the nature of the orthophoto production and the point cloud production. So that's been our niche. It's a very small niche in the world. There's only a few companies making soft copy photogrammetry workstations. We've got about 7,000 licenses around the world, and we've been in business for about 37 years. We have a new product, ImageIQ, and that is to address the drone processing system group. It can also handle large format cameras in fixed wing aircraft as well. So what that's designed to do is bring imagery in, run it through, match the imagery together, come up with a bundle adjustment solution to position each image in its correct location in the world, and then generate a point cloud from that, generate an orthophoto from all the images from each image, and then mosaic those orthophotos together. So that's kind of a common theme of most drone processing systems, is that they do all of what I just said. The nice part about ImageIQ is that on the back end, it generates a Summit project file with all of the data ready to go for us to move right into our Summit Evolution software. We get great results out of ImageIQ in terms of the precision and the fidelity of the XYZ omega phi kappa, the tip, tilt, and yaw of the imagery and the sensor at the moment of exposure. And we need to have that precision so that we can relate a left image and a right image together, so that the human eye, when it's looking at the left image and the right eye is looking at the right image in our system, it's well positioned and doesn't provide any parallax, Y parallax, that would create eye strain, headaches, and so forth. So I'm pleased with the ImageIQ outputs. It gives us some great data to use, and we wind up with good results moving into our Summit Evolution software for some really precise exploitation. We also have a LiDAR product called Landscape that is able to process landscape or LiDAR data down to bare earth. It's got multi-classification capabilities. We can do 3D edits on the LiDAR data by combining the landscape viewer and editing tool with our Summit Evolution viewing systems, where you can bring the landscape points or the LiDAR points up on top of a stereo pair and see if the bare earth points are actually on the earth. And if they're not, you can edit them interactively from there. So we've got a couple of interesting tools that help provide precision and accuracy to your output projects for whatever reason you need to build a GIS system, or for whatever asset you're trying to manage.